Hello, good evening. I am Professor Dr. V.D. Bhabar from Bhausap Nene College, Pen Raigad. I am teaching chemistry. Now, the topic of today's discussion is mechanism of organic reactions. Now, how this reaction mechanism works in at TYBSc level. Now, there are some different types of arrows which are given here. Now, there are two types of arrows, double-headed arrow and single broad or fish hook arrow shows the movement of electrons in the direction of this arrow. Now there are two types of reactions, homolytic fission and heterolytic fission, that can be also explained in your syllabus. Now transition states and intermediate. Now there are one step reaction, two step reactions are possible. Now transition state and intermediates also form during the reaction. Transition state is not a definite molecular species, but intermediate is a definite molecular species. Transition state gives an imaginary structure showing loose combination of a reactant, while intermediate has a definite structure and shape. Transition state has a higher energy and least stability. Now for intermediate it has slightly less energy than transition state. Now transition state cannot be isolated, but intermediate can be isolated. Transition state is formed in all the reactions, but intermediate can be formed only in multi-step reaction. Now nucleophilicity and basicity, which is a very important concept for reaction mechanism. Now basicity is the extent to which the base accepts proton, while nucleophilicity is the rate at which the nucleophile forms bond with the substrate. Now basicity has absolute value in terms of Kb or pKb, while nucleophilicity is a relative term or a ratio. Basicity is a thermodynamic term, while nucleophilicity is a kinetic term. Basicity affects on the position of the acid-base equilibrium, while nucleophilicity affects the rate of the reaction. Similarly, electrophilicity and acidity is also important to understand. Acidity is the extent to which the acid donates proton or accepts electrons. Electrophilicity is the rate at which the electrophile forms a bond with the substrate. Acidity has absolute value in terms of Kb or pKb. Now electrophilicity is a relative term, acidity is a thermodynamic term, while electrophilicity is a kinetic term. Acidity affects on the position of acid-base equilibrium, while electrophilicity affects the rate of the reaction. Now in neighboring group participation, there are two steps. One is intramolecular nucleophilic substitution, and in second step it is intermolecular nucleophilic substitution. Now neighboring group participation is very important for reaction mechanism. Neighboring group participation is an intramolecular effect temporarily exerted on adjacent group which directly participate by moving within the bonding distance of the reaction center and then revert back. There are some examples which can be explained in your syllabus of neighboring group participation. Now there are some reactions given in your syllabus, like pinacol rearrangement, and like Beckmann rearrangement, and some photochemical reactions are also there that can be studied in your syllabus. Thanks very much.